Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Inspire, and now I'm going to show you how to insert the paper cards inside of this printer, how to insert A4 cards or other type of paper cards. So here, as you can see, we have the paper place, and we need to open it. To open it, we just need to pull it out. Okay, and here, as you can see, we have, so we can remove this place for a while, this part of our printer. And so here, as you can see, we have a place to insert the cards, but this place is not for A4 cards because we can't locate here A4 cards. Here we can locate other type of cards. As you can see here, we have the sizes that this place can. So the sizes we can insert the paper to here, for example, 13 to 18 centimeters, and it's great. But to insert the so here we can change the size of paper cards we wanna insert, for example, as you can see. But here we have the place for paper cards, envelopes, and other normal papers. So to insert the paper card, for example A4, we just need to insert it, and here we have the blue plastic objects. Using these plastic regulators, we can regulate the size of the paper. For example, I'll show you. For example, if you wanna insert the A5 card, you need to locate this card inside of this paper card place and change the size of paper place, and that's it. And close it. Of course, firstly we need to close this part and then close the printer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.